Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to talk to you about this product. I've been using this product for years and years and years. It's called Riddex. And if you're not familiar with this brand, what this does, it sends out an electrical pulse through your electrical system, basically your home, and helps basically eliminate, not so much eliminate, but actually annoy insects, mosquitoes, spiders, things like that. Mice, rats, any kind of rodents, things like that. They don't like this pulse. It makes a specific pulse that you can't hear. And it's safe to use around children, around pets, because it just sends a small little pulse out. And most of these rodents and most of these insects hide near the walls. And because of that technology, it helps them, it forces them out of the house. And that's a fantastic technology. We've been using this for, I don't know, maybe a decade at least, forever. And they're great to have. You can put them all over the house, maybe 2 or 3 around, maybe upstairs, downstairs, maybe one in the basement, things like that. So definitely get a multi-pack. I definitely recommend getting that. And we've, like I said, used these for years. So basically you plug them into your wall. That's all you have to do. Simple as that. I'm going to show you here, make a quick demonstration and show you. I got a little plug here. So you plug it in. First thing you're going to see right here, you're going to see this light blinking. That is your pulse. So it's letting you know that it is pulsating. This is a green light letting you know you have power. Shut this off so you can see better. You can see the green light here. You can see the pulsing. So now you know it's pulsing and you have the green light. So you know this is working. Now also they also have a little light here, like a little night light. You put this on if you want to. You don't have to. You can turn it on, shut it off, whatever you want. There's like a little blue light. So sometimes if you get up at night, it's nice to have a little extra light when you're walking around at night. You put these in the bottom of your outlets. So it gives you a little bit of extra light. That's what that's for. So definitely going to recommend these 1000%, guys. I mean, like I said, we've been using these for years. Never had a problem. They last forever. And it's better than using the poison and all those bad chemicals in your home. You don't have to. Use something like this here that's safe around pets, around children, around all kinds of things. Just it gets rid of the pests and the annoying little insects in your home, especially those little tiny bugs. It just pushes them right out. They don't like it. They don't like that frequency. It just pushes them out. So great technology. Riddex, fantastic. This is what it looks like. Standard plug it right into your 120 outlet in your home, and you are good to go, and you are safe. So get up a multi-pack. Definitely pick these up. If you enjoyed this type of video or review, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, follow this channel for more. Follow me, and I'll do more videos like this to help educate you on products like this. Just to let you know, I do get a small commission if you go ahead and purchase this, which costs you nothing, just to be fair and transparent. But I've been using this for a decade, like I said, for many, many, many years. So I believe in this item. I'm going to back it 100%, and I love it. Works great. Thanks, Riddex. Great job with this. Guys, pick this up. You're going to love it. Thanks for watching.